you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause
There's 24! There's 22!
If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never let go, never say goodbye.
Who's this assignment of? Who's this?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. And what is your dream?
I dream to help people when they need help.
Help people when they need help.
My dream for better world is where people will be always friendly and kind to each other. My dream is for people to share a lot. I have a dream to make people safe from coronavirus. Hello, I am Malaya. I will make the world a better place. I will play kindly. I have the dream that everyone will be kind, people and animals.
Oh.
I have a dream that we can play together. Hello everybody, my name is Zara Lee and I have a dream. I have a dream that no one will get sick. My dream is to be kind to
Other
other people and to be smart. My dream is people will be kind to everyone. I have a dream for everyone to be healthy. My dream is for everybody to have a home and food. I hope people feel better if they're sick. No. I wish that no strangers bothering people. My dream is I hope no person gets sick. Mrs. Dr. Martin Luther King.